1889, Fusajiro Yamochi start. Hand painted Hanafuda card, Japanese art. Family business driving, cards all the rage. Lip bigs, pops, market, big end of age. 60s, pivot, toys and games, new try. Ultra hand success kept the company alive. Ever Neo Kid, Donkey Kong hit. 80s console, global legit. From traditional cars to video game king. Nintendo reinvented everything. Adapt or die, the lesson clear. Japanese genius, still here.
Listen up, it's the Michelin brand. We sold the tires, ruling the land, but we needed you to drive. To burn the rubber fast, so we made a food guide. Built to last, go eat far away. Yeah, that was the plan, to sell more wheels to every single man. 1900, here is the deal. The Michelin brothers wanted to sell the wheel, but the cars were few standing still in the street. So they cooked up a plan that couldn't be beat. They printed the red guide, page by page, to push every driver out of the cage. Here is a map, go eat far away. Burn up the rubber, that's what they say. It started with a toy, now it's a pride. In every chest size, it started with a toy. Now we sell the fame. Mike selling tires is the name of the game. It started with a toy, now it's a pride. In every chest size, we wanted to sell rubber, now we sell the fame. Mike selling tires is the name of the game.
Dublin 7059, Arthur Guinness start. Dark Irish stout, famous from the heart. 1951, U Beaver pub fight. Fastest game bird, no book in sight. Guinness fix, free records for bars. Promote the beer, settle every star. 1955 edition out free. Bestseller boom, global legacy. Irish genius, small idea grand.
Back in the day we owned the zone. Before you kids had a smartphone. We are Kodak, undisputed kings, selling film and capturing things. But here's the truth, the fatal twist. We built the first digital cam on the list. 1975, we had the tech, but the boss screamed, protect the check. They said hide the digital, film is gold. If we sell pixels, the business will fold. So we buried the future to save the past, and our empire crashed down fast. We invented the thing that killed our role, ignored the change and lost control. We dug our own grave, adapt or die.
Year 2000, big suits, big mistakes. The day the giant made the worst choice ever. Listen up. Blockbuster was the king, standing real tall. Netflix came knocking inside a corporate hall. $50 million, that was the price tag. But the CEO laughed, called it a heavy bag. Streaming is a joke, people love the store. Now look around, man, Blockbuster is no more. One store left in Bend, Oregon State. While Netflix is global, deciding our fate. Never get too comfy, never ignore the new, or the next big tech might just delete you.
Yo. She faked that deep voice, talking like a boss man. Dropped out stand for that 19 big plan. One drop blood, test everything, promised land. Theranos boom, 9 billion in the hand. What on the Waltons, Devos, cash flash, machine fake. Test crash, what a flash, every West cheese drop, the bomb empire trash. Not prison 11 years, 3 months, no escape. Fake it till you make it, she fake till she break it.
You are the action queen, not neither go nor pro. Adapt before they disrupt you, this can happen to anyone, bro. Surfer chasing waves, camera born in the van. Tough for every stunt, became the biggest brand. You too full of action, GoPro wore the crown. Queen of extreme dreams, viral all around. Phones got sharper, eye stabilization clean. DJI took the sky's karma, crashed the scene. Record broke the trust, Marcus slipped away. From ruling the game to watching it decay.